How to enable or disable notification reminders for Messages app on iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, tap on notifications. Now in notifications, scroll down and here tap on messages, and then scroll down to the end and tap on customize notifications. Now here tap on repeat alerts, and here by default it is set to once. So if you want to enable the notification reminder for Messages app multiple times, then you can choose twice, 3 times, 5 times or 10 times. And if you want to disable notification reminders for the Messages app, then you can select never. So that's how you can allow or don't allow the notification reminders for Messages app in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.